Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video you will see some of the best backyard deck design ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. A part of your home that connects your indoors to outdoor world is a deck. A deck is a space that allows you to appreciate your backyard, what used to be just a basic rectangular space that located at your backyard home. Unique and attractive deck designs are becoming more common feature of outdoor living spaces. If your goal is to design a deck that improves the outdoor aesthetic of your home and increases its value, you can use these deck design ideas to spark your creativity and find inspiration from beautiful deck design pictures. Adding a deck to your house is the easiest and most affordable way to increase your living space. And when it comes to deck design, the sky is the limit. Multiple level, shady overhead structure, and spa like features are all within it. With little planning, you can create amazing deck design idea for your backyard. A good place to start when planning your deck design is with some of the most common decking idea. Platform decks are some of the simplest and most commonly found. They sit low to the ground and are best for the level areas. If you have a ground level deck or patio and would like a bit of privacy, consider building a living wall. It can shade you from the neighbors around you with flowers and provide fresh herbs just step away from your kitchen or grill. The planter boxes are easy to build, and a drip irrigation system provides automatic watering all summer long. No worries about missing a day of watering or losing all your plants when you go on vacation. The first thing one must consider when it comes to backyard deck design idea, the material to be used. The four most common type of construction materials are pressure treated lumbers, redwood, aluminum and composite. Your deck will most probably be used for entertaining people, be it a casual dinner with your friends or a birthday celebration for your family. Thus, you have to ensure that it is designed so that you can host small simple events. Installing lighting and sound system can make your deck ready for any gathering anytime. Having an outdoor kitchen or bar will even be a better. You may want your deck to have more than one purpose, as a space to relax alone, a place to entertain guests, or a spot to spend time with your family. One way to visually divide parts of your deck is with the use of furniture. For example, place a dining table in one section intended for enjoying your favorite meal, adding a seating set for the area where you can just chill while having a drink. For your children, have a small picnic table where they can munch on a snack. You should also have convert deck ideas so you can enjoy the outdoors while being safe from different weather elements. Speaking of furniture, choose one that will go with the current style of your deck. For example, if you have a contemporary deck with geometric patterns and hard angles, look for furniture with curves. For more traditional deck, wooden furniture is recommended as it complement the deck's rustic look. You will have more deck decorating ideas when it comes to wood furniture as there are different materials to choose from. Deck railing. Regardless of how beautiful your deck furniture and accessories are, your deck will only be as stylish as its deck railing design. The railing is what keeps your deck safe and together. You can choose to have railing materials that match your deck's main material, but you can also mix things up. Outdoor deck design ideas are incomplete without wood railings. Because of the different materials and wide price range, you can definitely find a design fit for your style and wallet. You can opt for composite and vinyl railings if you want your deck to be maintenance free. Some of these railings come in kits that are easy to install, making them perfect for DIY projects. Choose aluminum railing if you want something rust proof. For modern looking deck, install cable railing system. They are often composed of stainless steel cable with spots made of wood, composite or metal materials. No matter the design of your deck railings, make sure that you follow your local building codes that set standard for your heights, grades and sizes. I hope this video will help you to choose best backyard deck design ideas for your deck. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. Thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.